I'm Yara and welcome to my channel. The weather has been kind of rainy and I love the sun and the birds that spring has brought. I want to get a dog and I've been to Vienna with my partner for a few days and it was beautiful. I got so much inspiration from it and I got so much joy from going somewhere after a long time, and it's so beautiful. It's old European town and it is so beautiful, and I got lots of inspiration for my new paintings. So I came home and started painting. It has been really rainy and really cloudy, but I still got a few flowers in the shots and a few flower painting ideas from those reference photos. I decided I'm gonna do a piece inspired by spring. I got really inspired by spring in Vienna and here in general where I live, because there is so many beautiful tulips and daffodils and all sorts of other flowers outside, and the trees are getting really light green, like this playful bright green from the new leaves coming to life, and I've been loving to watch them and really enjoy spending time in nature. I find that spending time in nature really helps my mental health. I decided I am going to paint a piece inspired by spring, and I think I'm gonna call it Spring Rhapsody. But I'm not 100% sure, but I'm almost 100% sure that that's gonna be the name. And here is the color palette of this piece. When the paint is almost used, I cut it in half and then I can get all the paint that is left inside. So I'm not being wasteful. I like to just use up everything before opening a new tube. Also, this sap green and phthalo blue are very used in my palette those days, so I'm running out often. Here I'm starting out with this whitish bluish sky color. The light in this piece is meant to be cloudy and also a little bit of sun rays here and there, so that's why the background of the sky is being so white. It's because it's this diffused light from the cloudy / sunny day. So the main inspiration from this piece came when I was watching 3 ducks with my brother. I went to the restaurant with my family, and after we ate, me and my little brother went to explore the surroundings of the restaurant a little bit, and we found this beautiful stream, and there were 3 little ducks just hanging out on this wooden thing, and they were sleeping like that. And this is the reference photo that I took. So this painting is really close to heart because it reminds me of the beautiful nature in spring and me hanging out with my family members and my brother, and yeah, just enjoying the small things, enjoying the simple things, like 3 little sleepy duckies. I am thinking about incorporating some spring bulb flowers, so some tulips or something here in the front, but I'm not sure yet. I just want this piece to be really springy. next day I decided I'm gonna start to paint this piece called Naked again, and yeah, I'm just painting it slowly. It takes a lot of time because it's really big. In the last video I kinda explained what this piece is about. It's about being present. It reminds me of always thinking about myself first, taking care of myself first before worrying about other people. It reminds me to take care of myself basically, and that I am just this sprinkle of consciousness in this earthly body on the earth, and to not take it for granted, this body that I have, and to cherish every moment and to cherish life. It has complex yet very simple meaning, and I'm gonna explain more about it when I'm gonna finish it, and then I'm gonna really dive a bit deeper about what exactly I wanted to express painting this piece. I am painting second layer here, so just rough shapes and lights, shadows, and in the next video probably I'm gonna start to paint some detail on the grass. A little sun rays came from the clouds and everything dried a little bit, so I explored this garden and found a beautiful apple tree that blossomed really beautifully. I decided I'm gonna continue my mundane collection of studies. The first study in the collection is the dandelion study that I have made recently, and the point of this collection that I have started is to remember to appreciate life and to appreciate really small and mundane things, because the beauty usually really lies where we don't expect it to. The beauty lies in the present moment, when we can calm down and really see things the way they are and really observe, and nature is the perfect place for observing mundane small things. At first sight it looks like it's just a bunch of grass and flowers, but when you really look closely and you really can be present in nature, you can see how wonderful and how extraordinary it is to be able to coexist with all of those beings, and how beauty can be found in the most mundane things. And I would argue that there is sometimes more beauty in mundane things than the things we think are valuable. Thank you so much for watching this video. I wanted to share what I'm doing and what I've been painting, and I hope you got some inspiration along the way. And yeah, If you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel. I think you will not regret it because I try to do this calming, inspirational content for you to enjoy. And you can also follow me on Instagram, where I post everything behind the scenes, work in progress, so you can really see my art studio life. And you can check out my Etsy shop, where I sell my prints, originals and stickers. If you buy 3 or more items from my shop until May 14th, you get 20% discount with the code HelloSpring. So you can add 3 items to your cart, and when you check out, you write the code HelloSpring and you will get the discount of 20% off your entire order. I can't wait to show you what I'm gonna paint next and how my paintings that I'm currently painting turn out. But until then, observe the small things, the mundane things that no one cares about. Try to see the beauty in the flowers that are usually forgotten, and try to see the beauty in the rain or in the sunny day that is kind of ordinary, and you can just be there in the moment and really feel the feeling of being alive. And sketch some sketches, paint some paintings. I will see you again soon in another video. Bye!